In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game Supermarket Simulator on your PC. So what we need to do is open our Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Now for the next step we first need to search up this game at Steam before we can continue to another website to download it. So what we will do, we will quickly search up this game at Steam and then we will continue to another website to download it. Don't waste too much time on it and just quickly search up this game. Now once you have found it, select it, then scroll a little bit down, and as you can see we can buy this game for just €19.99. But don't worry, we are going to show you how to download this game without overpaying. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this webpage. What we will do here is quickly search up this game again, Supermarket Simulator. Once you have searched for it, then select games on the left side, sort by price lowest first, and as you can see we have a PC version over here and the text over here is marked green. This is very important so the game can be activated in your country. Once you have found it, select it, and then you will see that we can already download this game for just €3.19 compared to the price on Steam of €19.99. This will save you a lot of money, so definitely take advantage of this. Now once you have found it, then you can purchase this game through this website, and after that you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!